As a railroad manager, the safety of your workers is a major responsibility for you and your organization. We at Miller Ingenuity recognize the long-term personal and organizational effects of the loss of a coworker to a tragic accident.
Safety is paramount to any operation, and it's paramount for any company because your workers are your most valuable resource.
SEPTA is moving ahead very strongly on safety and security. It's the right thing to do. It's also the right thing for our business.
You already know the challenges your railroad managers face every day, including the monotony of watching for oncoming traffic where the slightest moment of inattentiveness can lead to human tragedy. Even a close call weighs heavily on everyone's mind. So how can the industry provide a safe work environment around the clock in all weather conditions and in geographical terrain, including tunnels and bridges? While the traditional method requires a watchman or lookout, or the placement of stopboards to protect your employees, what if the road workers possessed a technology that augments your current protection rules and could bring benefits like detection and identification of approaching rail traffic and the ability to automatically alert crew members of an oncoming train, regardless of weather conditions, geographical location, or the loud sounds from maintenance equipment? Personal safety that is no longer dependent on the entire organization, but is truly in the hands of the worker and the employee in charge. This eliminates the possibilities of communication breakdowns and the manual errors that sometimes lead to tragedy. Train slowdowns and stoppages are virtually eliminated because all members of the work team are fully informed of the approaching danger. The solution is a breakthrough technology from Miller Ingenuity called ZoneGuard.
It looks like a very effective system. My guess is it would be cost effective because you're not having to do all the onboard electronics. Track worker safety is a critical issue, and this looks like a promising technology.
Well, I think it's great. In looking at the product, it appears to address a lot of the shortcomings of some of the current systems that are in place. I don't know all the specifics of our operating system, but safety is paramount for us. So this is a technology I definitely want to have our operating people take a look at.
So who is Miller Ingenuity, and what qualifies them to present this solution? Miller Ingenuity has been solving customer problems since our inception over 65 years ago. We have product development in our DNA with over 240 patents to our name. Today, our team of engineers in hardware, software, firmware, sensor, and communications continue our legacy with the development of ZoneGuard, soon to be the industry standard in roadway worker protection systems.
Very impressive. It looks like it's responsive, solves the issues that you have with railway workers out on the alignment, gives a big heads up to the operators, which I think is an important concept.
Here's how the ZoneGuard roadway worker protection system works. First, a train detection device built on fail-safe principles is positioned at the limits of the authorized work zone. These patent-pending detection devices have been tested in all weather conditions and at all hours of the day and night. Each member of the work team is equipped with a wearable device that receives a warning of an oncoming train with ample time to safely clear the tracks. In effect, ZoneGuard is creating a bubble of protection for every worker. The employee in charge is equipped with a special wearable device that allows a precautionary test to ensure that all workers are protected. The workers then respond on their wearable devices and are confident that they're protected. ZoneGuard protection augments the mandated protection rules and eliminates human error.
It's a great product, especially the product that helps to prevent all the accidents, and in light of the recent accident that had happened in the US and Canada, it's very essential to have something like that.
The ZoneGuard system automatically sends real-time status and reports to all dispatchers and others in the safety management chain. So what differentiates ZoneGuard from other solutions? Well, first of all, there's no onboard equipment necessary for the trains. This eliminates complexity, lowers costs, and improves safety. Second, unlike other worker safety systems, ZoneGuard is not range limited. Our system allows for miles of expandable zone coverage, ensuring that you're able to protect any length of track required. And finally, it grants peace of mind to the employee in charge as it ensures the work team is truly in the clear and safe after responding to their personal alert device. But will ZoneGuard be cost effective to your organization? Well, one preventable accident more than pays the annual cost. Compliance that goes above and beyond government regulations positions the company as an industry leader. And third, it becomes a competitive advantage in recruiting and retaining skilled workers.